So this is a rotary laser level, and we use it to set the heights for our decks. So this tripod stand, we try and get it level-ish to start, just kind of by eye, and the laser itself will do the rest of the leveling. Now, this is the bad boy I was talking about. So this guy shoots a laser 360 around this unit, and we compare that to the height across multiple surfaces on the same property. So just turn around with this button here, it does its own little leveling thing, and then it starts spinning.